Introduce highlight features and overview of Earthwise power tools by ALM SN75018 15 amp 18-inch electric cord snow thrower with LED lights. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: reliable snow cleaning machine that makes snow removal easy and efficient. The powerful 15 amp motor can get rid of snow without a hitch. It can clear snow in a width of 18 inch and depth of 12 inch. If the snow is beyond 12 inch thick, the shovel is light enough to throw snow in layers. The rear wheel is convenient because it makes this snow sweeper easy to transport. An Earthwise power tools by ALM snow shovel is powered by electricity, so it does not need oil or gas to function. This electric snow thrower is ideal for light and medium snow sweeping tasks in your home. If you want to get full highlight features and full review, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.